Imagine a drone so powerful that it makes multi-thousand-dollar cinema rigs look completely unnecessary. For years, the drone community followed a strict rule. If you wanted something portable, you bought a Mini. If you wanted professional image quality, you had to carry a heavy backpack with an Air or a Mavic. But right now, a massive disruption is happening. Groundbreaking leaks suggest that the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro is about to completely destroy that boundary. This isn't just a minor tech refresh or a lazy marketing update. The rumors pointing toward the Mini 6 Pro indicate that DJI is building a sub-2 49-gram beast designed to challenge its own high-end lineup. This single device could permanently change how independent filmmakers, travel creators, and vloggers capture cinematic footage. To truly understand why the internet is exploding over these leaks, we have to look at the engineering puzzle DJI had to solve. The Mini lineup lives and dies by one golden rule: deliver absolute peak performance while staying under the legal 249-gram limit. That weight is crucial because it allows pilots to fly in many regions without dealing with annoying government registrations or restrictive airspace permits. The previous model already shocked the industry by packing a massive 1-inch sensor, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and professional 10-bit color into a pocket-sized frame. It was a masterpiece of engineering, but that success created a massive trap for DJI. They can no longer impress consumers with basic upgrades. To make people buy the Mini 6 Pro, it has to feel like a revolutionary step into the next decade of flight. The most exciting rumor driving this hype cycle is a total redesign of the camera sensor. Multiple independent industry insiders claim DJI will retain the large 1-inch sensor size but switch to advanced stacked sensor technology. On paper, it sounds like boring tech talk, but in reality, it is a massive victory for video quality. In a standard camera sensor, the processing circuits sit right next to the light pixels, stealing valuable space. A stacked sensor places all those complex processing circuits directly underneath the pixels. This design allows data to move at astronomical speeds. For creators, this instantly cures the dreaded rolling shutter effect. When you pan the camera quickly, fly past vertical structures, or chase fast cars, the image will no longer bend, wobble, or look like jelly. It means perfectly sharp, Hollywood-level motion blur even during high-speed maneuvers. Alongside the stacked sensor, the rumors of 6K video recording are causing a massive stir. While some people might think 6K is overkill for social media, it is actually a secret weapon for post-production. Having a 6K canvas means you can aggressively crop into your footage, reframe a shot from horizontal to vertical, or apply heavy digital stabilization while still outputting a flawless, native 4K file. But we must look at the physical reality of this feature. Processing 6K video at high frame rates creates a massive amount of heat. Inside an ultralight drone, there is no physical space for heavy cooling fans or thick metal vents. Because of these thermal boundaries, experts predict we will not see unlimited 6K at 60 frames per second. Instead, the Mini 6 Pro will likely support unlimited 6K at 30 frames per second for cinematic shots, while 60 frames per second might be locked behind a short clip timer to protect the internal hardware from melting. Even with that small catch, having 6K in a pocket drone is a total game changer. However, there is another leaked feature that will likely impact your daily workflow even more than resolution: a mechanical variable aperture. Every single drone pilot knows the absolute nightmare of using ND filters. They are essentially sunglasses for your camera lens. When the sun peeks out, you have to land the drone, burn through precious battery life, manually clip on a tiny piece of tinted glass, and take off again. If the weather changes a few minutes later, your shot is ruined, and you have to repeat the entire tedious process. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to feature an adjustable physical aperture ranging from f1.7 to f11. This means you can control your exposure instantly from your remote control, while the drone is hundreds of feet in the air. You can maintain the perfect shutter speed in changing weather without ever landing, completely eliminating creative friction. DJI is also heavily pairing this new hardware with next-generation artificial intelligence. The focus is clearly shifting from raw megapixel numbers to hyper-intelligent computational photography. Leaks suggest a new onboard processing engine that works in real time to instantly rescue blown-out highlights, pull rich details out of muddy shadows, and clean up digital noise during low-light night flights. This AI will also completely transform the autonomous flight experience. The new active track system is rumored to be fully predictive. If you are tracking a moving target like a vehicle or a runner, and they disappear behind a wall or a dense group of trees, the drone will not lose track or stop moving. Its AI will instantly calculate the subject's speed and direction, anticipate exactly where they will emerge, and keep the camera perfectly locked onto them without a single glitch. All of these high-performance upgrades demand a massive amount of power, which leads directly to the battery debate. While some viral rumors claim a wild 60-minute flight time, the laws of physics make that highly improbable under the strict 249-gram limit. Instead, top analysts expect a highly optimized, realistic flight time of around 40 minutes. DJI can achieve this significant boost by utilizing highly efficient new motors, implementing ultra-lightweight carbon fiber materials in the frame, and switching to advanced silicon anode battery technology, which stores vastly more energy without adding extra weight. A solid 40 minutes of real-world flight time means more peace of mind and more time spent capturing the perfect cinematic sequence. When you look at all these pieces together, the Mini 6 Pro emerges as a brilliant strategic move by DJI. With global drone regulations getting tighter every year, the market desperately needs a drone that offers elite professional performance without breaking legal weight limits. In my definitive opinion, if DJI delivers these exact specifications while keeping the price competitive, this drone will completely wipe out the competition. While 6K video and an improved battery are fantastic additions, the real revolution lies in the stacked sensor and the variable aperture. Those two features remove the final boundaries separating compact consumer drones from high-end filmmaking tools. It gives creators total professional control in a device that fits easily into a coat pocket. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.